Okay, Yanchiao, let's do this. Yet Sampa and a good quantum pono so and something and I have a cynical so now yet someone not a pair you depending on your location. Yes, sure, I mean Adam Shra Edema. On this episode, not wasting much time. Yanko straight to the point. And then Friday, Kotoko, I am the final training session ahead of the Dreams FC. Yeah, the Dreams FC won song come out every bro game to ja on Sunday, Baba Yarash Paul Stadium. Emuncho Munyano, Bawa to say Lumba Yeba Basso, Emma So, Sebastian Swa, Heroes Park, and Umbayano, Stadium anymore, and prevent this a game, Ebebaso. Enti bibia ede dana kwemu eno nso enchi mu agudie kwan so akrabia mapoma metema sante kotoko ebegina akono na a striker has been offered for Sante Kotoko. Agent, mami agent ni din. Agent he ede Kotoko and also the striker bre Kotoko. But yebetu Kotoko fuka kra was striker no by wedding kind a present striker na the amansana you were futubia yede ama ewo hona management amomani adahoye kakra ewo oye good they are fine but yempese ebesibo so enti let's go na yenya dwuma ni nyina no MLT for this episode you do rem was striker no and I feel so training session yango.
There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Okay, beating up ball, beating that day, yanko straight. And I Santa Kotoko, I training. Na yan try na fe yan tam training into so Emma in a for na yan found command son at a strike announce and something you know at when him live on GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno. Yan Christmas in so yeah baby the yan cabo medino. Yeah baba chair time Eddie am I in a for 20 still glue. Na ekoswa she enche obeti and kana bibia koso and a training ekoso na training eto jano junior side edin kai training la as usual said enra omo eyo na kama na but enra mbo friendly game edin go 6-2 edema bobo kwa friends Atasola Academy enra me de emawo but na junior side net to us so training right after that and a live pictures are we here pictures are you take here ewo bia your friend say adakwa jache and I de ato wenim no na uhwemu na de tie ene se yen remo tactical aspect no na ye mouth de eye animanimu kakra disefata se wotie and I de ema wo players na omo eye injured na omo tumi be ram eye training no Patrick Asiedu eye training full one kama Francis Aqua odonso join na so eye training Samba O'Neill enso eye full training Eddie Ewie na Emmanuel Entry the prodigy memphis anka ni ho ana ono ena da so no Emmanuel Entry ono so training after say me prayer me koy maba for report bra okay okono ba sika ba ne ade aware eba mu no ene ade ni nyina no Emmanuel da so live and we training kama yigiri se futu ade ma Emmanuel panyufo ben no ene na kasa bibia etodwa going forward Dauda Saka and so Ebabeye training, but unfortunately for him, on training one joining entire squad in a individual training and a Dauda Saka, and also ancient Muka Kresia Tuja, Emma in a TFF players are Omunya registered, Nanso, Omo a training year, Emmanuel Kote, Andrews in Team Manu, Elvis Chamber for Auchi. Woman, and saying also a training come out with the entire team now. Ancient where they might draw Musu the Yensun farmer said Johnson or Paul, who's come on 9. Emma, we are training 4 players in Yano. They are not registered. Only Johnson and on them with bomb entire squad in Yano. A train. This guy is a professional chap here, Papa. Koye will be an Kanabama Bu Amadi BCS, but he's doing a great job. So you say Aswa Bapa, Yamebua next week a beer transfer window now. Emmanuel Kote. Andrews in Timenu, Elvis Chamber for Johnson upon Wusu, expect something for a bet to me aqua and Nimunafi, one more aka registered players and where no ancient where they might in a tier for Peter Amidu Aqua, a training but precaution measures in Tino. One said that and Kunuan Grim training up and for a resident manager and homeka in the middle of the training. I be a course when you don't know Kwame Poku. And Jordan and Miss Apada no a pranon so Omunina so training and kama last training na womo ye edi akwako hia bobu kwa ye fra won say dreams sa and city the only player out ba ho nanso na wanye training Big Joe Joseph Ablo Soldier na ote dugout obia onso hwe bi ama bibia timi akoso Set Kwadwo, that's his name, yeah. Set last game a boy when you're injury, but Set a training fully and now bibia ne the din kama die here nasafata and some de ma and what and ya fe na mi be rem na zito ball on chenini and I say bia ball tactical plan bia there be dreams there and fama tudwa enti yan ton Kotoko nso sa but dey here and it's players ni nyina o mo sefata no ababe training kamene Michael Akufu Gaddafi ebo adwuma yi me se o mama na adwuma bi oni ofa Prince Usu players a mo hwa omo edge no from no mo ni omo didi nkomo ema omo vema ene am ekoso net training there enya gro Akufu di no ho jimu yi pa ene anuafo hwa the picture na we chiro no edi nkomo experience ni bi e ma boys na ono so internship a oye no Kotoko enya ho adiama paye papa na enya mewawa se Gaddafi ewia na okani ni mo so ho no masomsom pa enya wawa akra no enkomo kakre free mo to dwa ye de ema ye na tiefo wom enti on training ene abone tofa e de amano high end sebre enti yanko yanim na yemfa striker na medi ne ho nkomo no nsem emfa nto anim live fafo no ma me ha na information no so na yenye ni nyina na bibia ntimi enkoso wano okay. Striker ninye hweniye emame ne de Moses Jabachum ti Moses ena agent wode no etu kwan agent no okay agent no mame free agent ni din kan homa na yenkɔ no kakra me slow down na wanya ni okay Blessing Sports Agency na in fact uhwemu a o manage 3 players Moses Jabachum ena afensu Suraj Musa Moses ni center back Suraj Musa ni center forward sorry ena Suraj Musa ni center back Hayford Boafo attacking midfielder Hayford Boafo na the player back crabo Vision FC that is Suraj Musa no into information kakra about the agency no ena media man you from Blessing Sports Agency BSA na yanku ya ni man Cratch out that screen see Eddie Moses Jabachum were a Ghanaian footballer. Na agent fue and a more foul kwada to Asante Kotoko. The attorney say obobo Jordan Pro League anymore. Jordan. Na Jordan League I know who hebuada kakra omo Eddie a break. Na omo infan says I say na issues as senior the identity na ama suspension abaso kakra. Until last time obo that was October 31st 2025 and obo omo bobokwe Al Jazeera club omo tena fiema Al-Faisal ebetwa omo ekansia ema omo timu baako na me mamu hu se obo ni bi in fact omo consolation goal no ono na ehye 6-1 but ono ena ehye goal no na team obo Al Jazeera no ono kwani the only foreigner owo team ni mu o ma aka nyina Jordan for ono kwani the only foreigner currently owo team ni mu enough yanku anim na the agent no ena the odi tudwa anansa nkomo a odi ato ye pono so ne se omo pesa akoden nam se niema break aba oni ade nti omo de ne bebo Kotoko nto ma hyase ne Kotoko mpanyimfo bi di nkomo ba unfortunately enkomo no ama mesina na apenkra so me fan say window na chi ena panyini no ben Kotoko de but enyo no na the helm of affairs see nti agent no ene crash no ana say papa ya ye kana asami adi nkomo a papa no say oh mama ye videos ni bi na ye fan koma na nso nto aso mfama coach na omonhwe ni movement dey effect na you say YouTube sem any identity di player hon koma na wahwe ye chiranko na akosi boss na akwakoye nsem bebre na ne ba mu no ba bia betu Kotokofo no say omonye careful kakra na say we journeyman kofa konshadant na mahu so mo de heart to folk asa bata ho basa ne ho apre ne atone ntem ba yenya abotre menka asa ma ye ntono but mumenya abotre ne access ni ye kama because you cover back by Johnson or T bench and your bench yan register no to be shamwa mummy due diligence na yan conquer to be kuma in fact the position of body any the age in the America wom center forward and timber left wings and a second striker o copage and so and the screen is no a juma oye and I'm the amount in a year tofabomo na oku anymore crash no teams are do our bobini teams are bo ebini bobo kwa your friend say Nepal FC ewo Pokhara Chrono Nepal crew your friend Pokhara honomo and we see akan in fact okoho anche within 6 months pa and we fit Nepal FC ho and we call Chrono mu Pokhara wa team bi o your friend Tenders FC and Hosako kakra edema wo mu now free Tenders FC wa and a call tima your friend say Citizen FC no and also around the FC Citizen teams are aboboni there FC Citizens also one check and okobo team bi kuru your friend say Bakrumi no I had to say no Cape Kusana takra di bisa omu area ho yes and kuru your friend say Latitipur and eben na team okobo your friend Church Boys United wow here sorry for Church Boys United and okosi akan edema wo mo enti o free na pa the year 2024-2025 now one chapi or within 3 months short and a pa and or the copy of Saudi Arabia now Saudi or in team B your friend say Al and Tessa it will crop your friend say Rabik and also a Coastal City Rabik a honor and okosi akan now within 24-25 na a whole boy yana pa or they be joining Al Jazeera Club and no Amman. I will see a kind of Petra Stadium. Amman. A honomo and as you see or jersey number 9 Edema Al Jazeera. And to me men can't Kotoko for say or mon kofano and I mean can't show Musu Munyai. The video need my heavy but technical a yinia dia or more etimia says ya mo amunye na munhwe ye but mumia hwe ne mayi eso kofa akon a wontena anaso okoba bi ontena ho nche na movement no buche baya abamu ntamti tesi anso yehia sa players ne bi nti menua no de on da so no Rastaman kama pa nti yanso me beauty contest there but the omni say me the information am then and I with all due respect me the emanti this player Moses Jabachum if you na ko be hu say writers never try no niema Juma na bibia kwaso kama nti omo be tre pushi na bibia sana esi eko ewo munti ombe pushi ba me sham Kotoko management munya firm na monfa good players min case onye good but monfa players in fact omo ye willing to stay for at least the emphasis fear me no bibi sa pepa sa 3 months 6 months termination dia or sa record ni bi enti media information am denam and mean say will be adwuma but matomi bo a delivery no atuja edi amanti so far this striker has been offered for Asante Kotoko my who say omo abo had to folk din ato ase sa na Kotoko ho apre nentem na waye but munya abotre menka se ma mon sign no and na men so men san ka se mon sign no munya abotre na munya due diligence and sana mama pen esi paper so okay, and so far training home command bro and then the strikers and so Kotoko agent for DB ma omo na omo su pe bie no so ye na yama ho ba kom se si ano foreigners no omo information aba bidwa nyame ncha de foreigners no omo so striker no information nyame adumekuta me enti ye ba na ye twa ye ho na eno so poki crowd ye dey asomosompa live on GH Live Studios me dey Derek St Kizito thank you so